What is it that you need?
We need psychology.
Psychiatric care?
Yeah.
What else?
Thank you.
What else do you need? Housing?
Housing. We need to take care about our psychology.
Okay,
You know?
I hear you loud and clear.
Do you know homeless? His big mother, his big problem. He feel alone. He feel alone.
Yes, it's
He
very
feel-
isolating. Yeah.
He feel in the house, without house. You know, outside.
Yeah, it's very isolating, very lonely.
That's what I
Very
told
lonely.
you.
Yes.
The more important is psychology.
I got it.
Thank you.
You heard it here first. Thank you.